data was transmitted to Chinese servers. Are you not aware of this? That these Unisys already encountered so much problems. Meron pa ako isang kaso sa kanila. Unisys also. And you contacted and contracted with this Unisys Corporation. 150 computers, according to FBI, were transferred to the Chinese government. All the data of the Department of Homeland Security.
No knowledge about it.
Yun. Yan ang problema natin. Hindi tayo nag-due diligence. Ang problem, Mr. Chairman, dito po sa 1.7 billion contract ng Department of Homeland Security, yung kanilang 150 computer were traced to a Chinese language website for hackers. And this stealing of data and sending it to Chinese side, all the while that Unisys was certifying to the government that its network was secured. So kung Department of Homeland Security, ang kanilang mga data ay nanakaw ng Chinese government, what more? Ang Philippine government. Bakit ang tagal i-turnover sa mga Pilipino? We are talking about yung data system lang. We are talking about yung access, yung pagbigay ng certificate, birth, death, and the ano yan it's all about the documentary release of all of these documents to our citizenry. So hindi pa tina-turn over sa PSA. Bakit meron pang isang private company like you who is handling that? Gusto lang namin malaman sa inyo, ma'am, are those Chinese late registers, late registration that undergo, na pumasok doon sa system natin, makikita natin yung mga late registration, di ba, ng mga Chinese na yan, na kino-question namin yung kanilang pagiging dalawang passport ang hinahawak. Basically, doon kami gustong pumunta. Hindi na namin kukwestiyonin na 5 billion ang ginastos natin dito. At hindi na natin kukwestiyonin na 24 years hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin hinahawakan ng mga Pilipino yan o ng government yan. Hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin yung private. Hindi na natin kino-question yan. Ang kukwestiyonin namin sa inyo, ma'am, ngayon, ibigay po ninyo sa amin yung lahat ng mga personality that we wanted to find out. Makita po namin yung kanilang mukha, makita namin nila yung kanilang profile. Di ba nakikita na ang nangyayari po dito ay nagiging province na tayo ng China? Sa dami ng mga properties na binibili nila, 292 titles, dito pa lamang sa Empire 999, wala pa yung Golden Sun, wala pa yung Poolwind, wala pa yung Yata Industrial Park, Yata International, Omni. Ano pa yung hindi namin alam? Ano magiging natin dito? Magiging parte na tayo ng China. Alam niyo ba yun? Yun ang repercussion dito and we have to do something about it. Si Willie Ong, hindi naman Pilipino, Chinese, 45% siya. Si Jack Yang, hindi rin Pilipino, 5% siya. Si Eddie Yang, 5%, 55% sila in violation of the 60-40 ruling of owning the properties. Attorney, makinig ka naman. Mag-ano kayo ng adverse claim na dito? Para mahabol natin tong mga taong ito na binili yung ating mga properties knowingly na hindi naman sila mga Pilipinos. Hindi natin alam. Hindi nyo napapansin? Ngo, Hong, Si, Yang, An, Ni, Ting, lahat ng Chinese na. Invading na to. Invasion na ang pinagagawa natin dito. Don't be a part of those people who are trying to sell our country. We have new Makapilis. And trying to sell the authentic identity of the Filipinos.